We're here at the Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras. With the sun peeking over the canyon, lighting up this high desert wonderland. Standing here on a boat dock, Deschutes River day use area, Lake Billy Chinook, Cove Palisades State Park, Central Oregon, quite a mouthful. And here's our primary boat launch, very high quality, paved, good gradation, doesn't look like there's anything to complain about. The water level's a little low right now because of some planned hydroelectric work at PGE. So in a few weeks, this will be about 2.5 feet taller than it is right now, meaning there won't be a lip there. You can kind of see that green line there, the algae. It'll be up to the top of that shortly. We're off season right now, so this isn't negatively impacting anyone. I do want to point out something I think is very cool. You see these three little flotilla things? These are floating restrooms. So these actually literally are a spot that boaters can use to go to the restroom out here on the lake. Sometimes nature calls and you're not always next to a commode. So I think this is a pretty cool concept. Also keeps it more environmentally friendly, if you know what I mean. So I'm digging it. So one of the cool things about this area, Lake Billy Chinook, arguably one of the premier state parks in the state of Oregon, and definitely in my top 5, is that it's the confluence of Crooked River, Metolius River, and Deschutes River. So you got 3 tendrils coming together to form this Watersport Mecca, this boating, fishing, kayaking wonderland. And every arm has got its own infrastructure built out. This is the Deschutes River arm, but there's also Crooked River boat launch and day use area. There's some Metolius infrastructure. So gives you lots of access points around the lake. It's kind of funny, I've talked to some fishermen and got a lot of different claims about what the best areas to catch the fish are. Some people say Crooked, some people say Deschutes, and some people say Metolius. So I don't know who's right, but choose your own adventure.